guys, welcome back to our channel. And today my video is about Valentine's Day. It's almost Valentine's Day, and this video is a collaboration with few moms. They're so amazing, and we have a lot of things about Valentine's Day that we want to share with you all. If you are new here, my name is Jessica. This is my family channel. Check out my description box, so I'm gonna link all the moms out there, and then you can go ahead and see their videos. There's so many exciting things. My video today is gonna be very simple video. I am from Brazil, and my Valentine's Day video today it's about a Brazilian traditional truffle, and it's so delicious. It's a chocolate truffle we call brigadeiro, so I'm gonna put the name here so you guys understand. It's a brigadeiro. It's just like condensed milk and chocolate. Show you guys how make. It's very easy. You can make with your kids, you can make with your husband. It'll be very fun. So let's go ahead and start this video. So now I'm going to show you guys all you need for this chocolate truffle. Condensed milk, any cocoa or any chocolate powder that you have, butter, baking cups, sparkling sugar, some Valentine's Day box that I got at $1 place, pan, spatula,
hold me close till I get up. Time is barely up.
And then you're gonna put in the high.
Don't waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns.
Now that they heat up a little bit, you can put it 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder.
On and on we'll go.
So that's the perfect point. Rich chocolate. You guys smell so delicious. So you're gonna put on a plate, because these need to cool off for a little bit so you can roll. So you can cool this for like 30 minutes. You'll be the perfect time so you can roll. And I'm gonna come back and show you guys how to roll, how to make a good presentation for your Valentine's Day.
A few moments later.
So guys, 30 minutes later, that's the final product. So you can see that's the time to make the truffles and decorate them. Hi. So now you're going to use the sparkling red and white sugar. So I got the baking cups at a $1 place. But I had these cups from Christmas and they're red, so I am going to use them. First, you're gonna see what is the size of your box. So my box is this little one. I'm gonna put 5 little baking cups inside. That is the measurements from my box. So I'm gonna show you guys.
We'll go.
You're gonna use again the butter. Why? For the truffle don't stick in your hand.
We'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Tell you guys, you make the truffles as you saw in the other clip, you're going to take a plate and then you're going to put your sparkling sugar. You can put anything that your husband or your friend or everyone likes. Like you can create this cute red and white sugar sparkling. Here is my truffles.
And on we'll go.
So I will show you guys how is the final product. I make a heart with each of one of the truffles, but I'm gonna final decorate them cookie cream, so you see here, and then you're going to decorate them.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
My husband, he loves Hershey's, so I'm gonna customize these truffles with some, and I'm gonna put on the top, and that's it.
Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through.
So I really hope you guys enjoyed my little video. Simple thing that you can do at home, not just for Valentine's Day, any day of your life you can take your kids and do this recipe. It's really easy and fast. I hope you guys enjoy it. So much for watching. To subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to check out the other mom. I am going to link everybody in my description box. So much for watching. Happy Valentine's Day and bye.